fellas. So we're gonna be on day 2 of the GSR. Part 2, my bad, actually, not day 2. But today, all that's left to do is timing belt, front main. I think I'm gonna do the oil pan right now, and then when we take it off of here, rear main, VTEC solenoid, and motor will be done, ready to go in. Pretty much, except the wiring. Which the wiring, we still gotta figure out how the hell that's just gonna go. And after that, hopefully we can drop it in pretty soon. But we're gonna get started. I'm gonna take off the pulley again, the crank pulley, and start off with the front main seal. Alright, we got the front main seal off. Look pretty fresh, but we're gonna go ahead and replace it anyway since we're already here. We got the whole Honda goodies.
Don't record this part.
Come on, bro, you got it. You got it. Yeah, bro.
Here we go.
There you go. Wait, show them the part number, bro. Show them the part number.
Red tag gang.
Red tag. OEM part number for a front main seal for a GSR, B16, all that. We're gonna go ahead and install that right now. Alright, so we got the front main seal on. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, put all this back on, and start messing with the timing on here. Get it all good to go.
That shit feels like
This fucking guy. This shit's clean, bro. That fucking guy. We got the time bell on here. Tensioner on. Had to do a little customization, but we got it. Pretty good slack on both sides. Already turned it. You don't hear no clunking or nothing, so we're good to go on that. About to put the pulley back on and set the valve cover on, and after that, just a VTEC solenoid and we're done. Get out of way. Look at Vinny's new project though. Y'all want to know the color? I already know it. I'm gonna tell y'all. I can see?
What?
I'm gonna release your color on here.
Yeah, please do it.
It's going pink.
Please
That fucking Barbie pink, the Barbie Mustang.
like a pink chrome metallic pearl.
Oh, looking sassy. But yeah, we're just gonna do the solenoid right now, and then after that, it's pretty much ready. Besides, like I said, the harness.
The whole fucking thing, bro.
That don't mean shit until that deposit hit.
Alright, tell me how much you want.
You heard the businessman. You heard the businessman. We got the motor pretty much all put back together. Timing belt on, pulleys on, tensioners tied and Loctited. I got the new VTEC solenoid with the new gaskets tied up. We're gonna do the valve adjustment once the car's in there, and it's pretty much gonna be it. Once we take the motor off of here, I'll do the rear main. This should be easy, little 5 minutes. Put the transmission on clutch and ready to drop this shit in. Let's see, Raul's back in the fucking Honda game after hell alone. Even though he's gonna be roasting me because I haven't got my shit done. Come on, Raul, you gotta do something about this intake manifold. He said he got one for sale. Said he got a, what kind you got?
I got a Blox one.
Said he got a Blox one. Come on, Raul. It'll make your life easier. We'll do the harness. But yeah, it's pretty much the end of it for this video. I'm gonna start the next video when we're dropping the motor in or putting the trans on, and hopefully have this car running soon. So actually, guys, my bad. I still got to do the oil pan. But I also forgot to show you guys the part numbers for these VTEC solenoids. That one's a little ripped, but you can still kind of see it. There's that one, OEM too. We're doing everything OEM. So I'm gonna flip the motor upside down right now, and I'm gonna do the oil pan. Alright, I take it back. I'm not gonna do the oil pan right now. I'm gonna do that once it's in the car, just because we turned it upside down right now. It still has a little bit of oil in there, and it's kind of leaked on there. I don't want it to make a big ass mess. So we're gonna continue that once it's in the car, and hopefully we finish everything soon, have this shit running, and hopefully everything goes good. Alright guys, sorry I didn't really do an outro for this video. I know it's hard to see right now, but I know it was a short video, but I just wanted to show you guys a little progress we're making on that GSR. We're gonna be swapping that in soon, so I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I'm gonna keep recording when we're doing everything. You know, I hope you guys are enjoying these little videos. Comment, subscribe, like, all that stuff. Stay tuned, man. So I'm gonna catch you all in the next one.